Split welds are the 1F or flat position, the 2F or horizontal position, the 3F or vertical position, and the 4F or overhead position. Weld is a frequently used groove weld, typically applied to both plate and pipe surfaces. The most challenging part of creating an open V-groove weld is the initial root pass. This pass originates from the V-groove side of the joint and requires complete penetration without excessive root reinforcement. Groove welds can be made in a variety of positions. The 4 groove weld positions are the 1G or flat position, the 2G or horizontal position, the 3G or vertical position, and the 4G or overhead position. Select each button to learn more.